wait. We're still getting ready.
How do you get ready for messy play day?
You need pom-poms.
Pom-poms? My first delivery! Wait, here! Oh. Oh. Nee. Pom-poms!
No, you.
They're cheerleading pom-poms. We need different pom-poms for our messy play day.
Aww. I'm sorry.
Let's love sign. Sorry. Sorry. You sign. Sorry. Good. Sorry.
Joe, tidy up.
Oh no, we have a problem.
For walking.
It's fine. Oh. 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 A sweeping brush. Wait, here. Is this a sweeping brush?
Yeah. Thank you, Joe.
Now we can get ready for messy play day.
You big mate, Joe.